Hey guys! Today I'm making a highly requested recipe. You've been asking for vegan recipes? Yeah, I see you in my DMs. I see you in the comment section. I see you, friends and family. So today we are making, we will attempt to make a veganized version of my go-to fudgy brownie recipe, which you can check out here for the non-vegan one. But if you are vegan, or you want to try a vegan brownie, well then keep watching. Okay, let's get started.
First, flax eggs. Warm water, 1/4 of a cup and a tablespoon. Add 2 tablespoons of flax milk. Stir it up and we'll come back later so the mixture has enough time to thicken.
Now we're going to put our cane sugar into the bowl. So, over medium heat, I'm going to melt the butter. Well, this is a vegan butter, so we're going to melt the vegan butter. Oh, it's very, very soft. Oh, wow. And then we're going to melt the chocolate together. Now we're going to put our chocolate mixture into the bowl. Mix this up. Okay, so now it's time to look at our flax egg. Ooh, see that it's a lot more goopier now. It's kind of a glue-like consistency. Gonna take the spatula to get the remaining bits. Then we're gonna just mix this all up. Amazing, a plant-based egg. Ooh, look at that. It's kind of like coming together now. And it's a bit easier to whisk because you don't have to break up the yolks. Pros, look how goopy that is. Wow. The next thing we're gonna add, of course, is the vanilla. And mix it up. So with the sieve, we're gonna sift in the dry ingredients. If you don't have a sieve, it's okay. You could put all the dry ingredients in a small bowl, whisk it up to break up all the little balls and clumps, and then just put it straight in. But because I have a sieve, I'm gonna use it, so let's sift in the dry ingredients. I'm gonna sift in the flour, the baking powder, cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is not in the original recipe, but I wanted to add it because I could only find semi-sweet chocolate. It's hard to find vegan chocolate. So I want to add back some chocolatiness as well as give a nice smooth fudginess. Okay. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Now we're gonna mix it all together. Wow, this is an interesting texture. It's very gooey. Okay, I'm gonna have to hold my hand for this. Hold in my hand. I'm gonna have to hold the fold underneath to make sure that there are no more streaks. Okay, good. So it's gooey like this. Gooey, 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 ooey, gooey. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna add, the last part, is the chocolate. We're gonna mix it in, lightly mix it in. We don't wanna overmix, because if we overmix, we're gonna get tough brownies. All right, now it's time to put the batter into a greased and parchment-lined pan. Spread this out evenly. Since I'm using a glass tin, or glassware, I'm going to reduce the temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit, so to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, but if you're using metal, then go ahead and use 350. It's because glass heats up faster and retains heat better than metal. That's why I'm reducing it to 325 instead of the traditional 350. Okay, let's go to the oven. The brownies are ready. Whoa! I know the brownies are ready when we see some crackling happening on top.
If your brownies are alive, it's okay. You're not alone. I'm a witch too.
I'm gonna let these brownies cool for at least an hour or two until they're completely cool. I have a feeling these are gonna be pretty fudgy, so the fudgier the brownie, the longer they have to cool, but it will be worth it. Hopefully, we'll see. Okay, the brownies have cooled. The outside is still a little warm, but that's okay. We want kind of that melting chocolate action. Okay, let's cut into this. Ooh. Okay, so these are, oh my God. They're just so fudgy. Yeah, that is some extreme fudginess there. It definitely needs to be cooled in the refrigerator. We are going to try that.
Refrigerators for the win! Yes, I highly recommend refrigerating your vegan brownies. Well, at least these ones, because now they have a really good fudgy texture. So delicious. And there you have it, your V squared, fudgy vegan brownies.